Hi there, this is Solar Turret V2. We have come so far, you might as well go all the way. This video condenses the whole experience of the project Solar Tracker V2. Here we are using Arduino Pro Mini. And here are the connections. We apply spray isolation so that oxidation will no longer occur and the design tends to last longer. Let's get started with how to solder V2 of Solar Turret. These three boards are attempt made and that have resulted failure. The first one, I used the purple board, but the wires got very complicated and it just not work. I do not recommend you to use this approach. I lost Arduino because I soldered it direct on the board and tried to use RJ45 connector, but the rigidity of the cable made the attempt not applicable. Discarded solution. The second approach, I used the corrosive solution for the first time without CAD design. It did not work because the connection were the same side of the component. There was no way to solder an established connection. Catastrophic failure. The third attempt, I exaggerated in the time of contact of the iron and appeared an immense bubble spoiling the board. Please feel the thickness of the copper foil of the substrate. Danger of failure. Only after the fourth attempt did we succeed and follow a well-structured CAD project. Yeah, look at these. With the luxurious help from my friend Pompermeyer, and everything worked fine. To facilitate your soldering, we recommend printing the schema in the piece of paper like this. Realize we have a mirror here. Let's begin with it. Trimmer, then the top jumper, then the resistor. Now let's position the jumpers, resistors like these. The third resistor. Yep, good. Now let's position the LDR boards here. You can use mini micro GST or XA2.54 board. See my webpage Jungotronic, linked below. The trimmer here is 3D view. Just fine. Just direct the resistor to align with the tracks like these. Preparing now let's see. Good. Now prepare the TS100 soldering iron. Please do not forget to use protective goggles. We have these to work on. Please enjoy the music now. We are speeding the video 8 times. It took 1 hour and a half. the whole process. we have finished all soldering. Now we will use isopropyl alcohol to remove the grease left by the flux. And then look at these. Good. And then apply the waterproof varnish lacquer. Oops. Good. Now, that's it. Yeah. Now, let's prepare our Arduino Pro Mini. Here it is. These pin are for programming the Arduino Pro Mini. See this for help you and try, and that's it. Everything is aligned. I hope you already know how to distribute the component on the board. This is Solar Tour V2. Please access my website, download the whole project, print and mount your own board. Everything was done with much effort and affection, and we are crazy to see the improvement out there. Thanks, and until the next project, this is your host, J3. Please visit my webpage, Jungotronic, at medium.com. Thank you for watching this video, and bye.